Welcome to the world of Interroll. Our regional center of excellence and main location for sales and manufacturing for the Americas is located in Hiram, Georgia, outside of Atlanta. Here we manufacture conveyors and sorters, as well as pallet handling solutions. We plan and design with our customers and work hand in hand with our partners. This is where we work for leading brands. And here in our innovation showroom in Hiram, right in our manufacturing environment, our customers can engage with our trainers and manufacturing people to try new things and to learn more about products and technology. At Interroll Atlanta, you will notice and be part of our core values. Innovation is at the heart of what we do here. Keeping to our values, the showroom experience is truly globally consistent. The products and solutions you will find here in Hiram are exactly as you would find them in our other global facilities. We take pride in our Made in the USA products, matching the Interroll quality from around the world.
So what we do here is we take a hands-on approach to the training where we actually put all the components in your hands. That way you get to touch, feel, smell. You get to have the full experience of our product in your hands.
We offer the answer to all your material handling questions. We hope to see you soon and experience why Interroll is best in class with your hands-on learning experience here in Hiram, Georgia.